We're down to 60. I could basically walk faster than this at this point. Oh, God. Oh, alright, there's the stall warning. Makes the hair on the back of your neck stand up. And we are just dropping so fast. Okay, why don't you just be quiet? There you go. Yeah, just there, please. Oh boy. 51 knots. That ain't good. Now the propeller decides to get in the way. I can't see anything. Come on. Come on. I want to go home, watch football. Oh God. No, we're just gonna miss. Son of a bitch. Oh boy.